I believe in America. America made my fortune. I raised my daughter in the American fashion, but I taught her to always respect her family. She found a boyfriend, not an Italian. She went to the movies with him. She stayed out late. I didn't protest. 2 months ago, he took her for a drive with another boyfriend. They made her drink whiskey, and then they tried to take advantage of her. But she resisted. She kept her honor. So they beat her. They beat her like an animal. So when I went to the hospital to see her, her jaw was broken, her shoulder was shattered. She couldn't even breathe because of the pain. But I wept. Why did I weep? She was the light of my life. Beautiful girl. Now she will never be beautiful again. I'm sorry. I went to the police like a good American. Those two boys were sent for trial. The judge sentenced them for 3 years in prison. Suspended sentence. Suspended sentence! Those two bastards, they went free that very day! They smiled at me when they went out. Those bastards. And I stood there in the courtroom like a fool. Then I said to my wife, for justice, we must go to Don Corleone.